Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize state estimated taxes in Franchise Tax Board step by step clearly. To authorize state estimated taxes in the Franchise Tax Board, begin by visiting the official California Franchise Tax Board website. Locate the Personal tab on the home page and click on it. Next, find the Pay section in the drop-down menu and select it. You will be directed to various payment options. Look for the Estimated Tax Payments link and click on it. Read through the provided information regarding estimated tax payments. Scroll down to find the section for online payments. Click on the ePay option to proceed with electronic payments. You will be prompted to enter your personal information. Fill in your Social Security number or ITIN. Next, provide your date of birth. Input your current address details. Once your personal information is entered, click Continue. Now, you need to select the tax year for which you want to authorize estimate. Choose your preferred payment method from the available options. Enter the amount you intend to pay for estimated taxes. Review all entered information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Submit button to authorize your payment. After submission, you will receive a confirmation number. Save or print this confirmation for your records. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to the Franchise Tax Board customer service for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.